So if you were to go ahead and click on search right here, then what happens is that you can go ahead and search for different contents as you like. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and utilize search filters to be more specific if you want to. So once you go ahead and search, and to be more specific, you can go around over here on to show filters, and here you can see that you have an option to sort on newest first or oldest first right here, and you can set sorting by creating newest first or oldest first right here as well. You can also go for title only right here, just like this, as you can see, and you can also choose the file created by different people and filter it out by different people as well. So you can see that I can go ahead and choose a particular content and only search for contents within those particular pages as well, just like this. Or you can go ahead and choose a particular date as well, date range on when the file was created, and it'll show up the contents of that particular file range only. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize search filters inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.